Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode we are going to learn about PHP date function. PHP date function is one of the function which is pre-built by PHP. We can use this function to show the current date of the day. To write a date function, we want to write as date bracket, then we need to give some parameter like ymd. The y represent here as year, the m represent here as month, and the d represent as the day. See, we got the date now. Now what I'm going to do is change all the characters to small letter so we can see the difference. Here see, the date format is changed. Here I'm adding 2 more y, and see, we are getting the same year again and again. If we write the characters in capital letter, we will get the date as character. See, now I want to show the current day in character format, so we can use L to show the current day. We can use the same date function to show the current time by using the parameter called HIS. Here the H is representing the hour, I representing the minute, and S representing the seconds. Now we can add one more character called A. This A character will show the AM or PM in the date. The time zone of each servers will be different. So to set a default time zone, we can use this program called date underscore default underscore time zone underscore set, and a bracket. Inside the bracket we can specify the time zone that we want to show the date. Here I'm choosing the America New York time zone, and we can see the date and time will be changed. See, the time is changed now to New York time. These are some basic of PHP date function. You can refer to PHP official website to know more about PHP date function. I will share the link in the description. You can refer to those links. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please press the like button. Also do the subscribe. Thank you.